This video is going to show you how to install and operate these RGB disc lights from Lumary. We're actually going to be replacing that light up here in my kitchen, and I'll walk you through the installation process and how to operate it and give you my final thoughts once I get the thing installed. Now, I should add that this is a pack of 4 lights, so if you wanted to, you could put one in all of the corners around the room, but I actually found out in a hallway I was able to get away with a single one of these lights, and that's what we're going to attempt first here with this light over here. However, I may end up just going with the 4, but for the sake of this video and the sake of the speed in getting this out, we're gonna replace the 1 because if you can do 1, they're all gonna be the same. First thing we're gonna do is shut the light off. Done. Next up is actually removing the old fixture. On most light fixtures, it's just gonna be a simple twist and it should drop right down. So if we give it a twist and it drops, that should expose everything. Now this one luckily has a little chain to stop it from falling so it's not hanging on the wires, but generally you don't want these hanging by the wires themselves. The next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna loosen these screws here on the adapter here holding it to the electrical box. And then we're gonna undo these, once that drops down, we're gonna undo these wire nuts so that we can reattach the new light to the wire nuts. To get the wire nuts off, all we have to do after verifying the power is off is to back off the wire nut, and that'll expose the wire. Since we already have an electrical box inside the ceiling, we're gonna use that mounting method for this Lumary light. These lights can be mounted either on an electrical box, as part of a recessed inside of a can, or you can actually recess them inside as a retrofit kit. Either way, Lumary includes all 3 methods of mounting. For this video, we're gonna use the box. And this is what it looks like with the first plate installed. You can see that it fits on either a 3.5 inch or a 4-inch box, or if you've got a 2 3/4 inch box, it will fit all 3 there. And we've got our 2 wires here for us to attach our light. Once that's installed, we're gonna wire nut our white to our white and our black to our black. And then this whole light is gonna go up, fit into a groove, and then twist on. You'll actually see there's 2 little posts here. They go into grooves in the plate that I just installed. And once we're done, we're ready to turn the light on and see how it looks. Now that we got the light connected, it's time to train it. And I can tell you right away, I'm probably gonna need all 4. Once your light is learned, you can actually use the Lumary app. They give you download instructions on the box. You can actually adjust the dimness of the light. You actually bring dimness, you can turn it on and off from the app. It is programmable with all of these smart home devices, so your Amazon, your Google, they're both compatible with both of those. You can also operate the main light and the auxiliary ring light independently, so you can go with just your ring light to give it kind of a nighttime feel, or you can bring the main light on, and you can also change all of the colors here with the app as well. Change to 16 million different colors, or you can have it different combinations. You can give it different combinations just like this. Overall, it's a really cool light for setting atmosphere, and it's really easily controlled by the app. I like it, but again, you're gonna have to put multiple of these in a room. That's my only recommendation. I'm gonna eventually put 4 boxes in the whole kitchen. But overall, I'm happy with the light. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.